Good morning guys sa Bahal Care. Good morning mga senyoritos, senyoritas. Wow. Dito ako sa farm. Tingnan niyo yung mga gotching ni Bossing. Hello mga senyoritas, senyoritos sa Bahal Care. Good morning guys. Oh, ang haba ng mga tenga. How are you? Oh my God, this is the father. Very big. How are you? Oh, very long hair. Very kind siya guys. Tingnan nyo. Iba naman yung sheep, iba yung goat niya. Ang hahaba ng tainga. How are you? Mashallah. Very kind ang goat. Oh, this is the father guys. I don't know where is the wife. See? Hindi siya mailap. Kakute ng tainga oh. Ang haba. Oh, naglalambing. Are you hungry? I think he's hungry now. This is the father and I don't know where is the wife. Oh, the senyorita. Oh, mailap ka ha. Mashallah. Ayan, tiras hour. Oh, naglalambing siya. I love it. Yan ang mga goat ni Bossing. Mga goats. Oh, hindi siya mailap. Why are you sad? Don't be sad. You have family there. Their family. Oh, see? I think you're hungry anyway. You're hungry now? Tingnan niyo yung tainga niyang haba. 1 meat, parang dalawang rollers ba yun? Ang haba oh. Oh, napakasad niya. Very sad this goat. Yan. Siya, umiinom na siya. Siguro thirsty siya. Laki ng bahay nila. Thank you so much.